Welcome to Balls Falls Conservation Area. Balls Falls is run by the Niagara Peninsula Conservation Authority. It's about 10 kilometers west of St. Catharines and features two waterfalls along the 20-mile creek which flows northward to Jordan Harbor on Lake Ontario. The lower falls then are to the north of the upper falls. Both drop over outcrops of the Niagara Escarpment, which is composed of sandstones, limestones, and shales from the Silurian period, which makes them about 420 to 440 million years old. Here, at the lower falls, the rock units from the top to the bottom are the Rainalis limestone, the Thorold and Grimsby sandstones, and the Cabot Head or Power Glen shale. The distinction can be made almost on the basis of color alone. The limestones and dollostones are more resistant to erosion, and so in Niagara they often form the cap rock at waterfalls, as they do here and at Niagara Falls itself, 25 kilometers to the west. Just north of the lower falls, there's another tiny waterfall going over the Irondequoit limestone. It's only about 1 meter in height. The lower falls drop 20 Mile Creek by about 30 meters. Walking through the picturesque ground, about 3/4 of a kilometer to the south, you'll come to the upper falls. Here the drop is less than 10 meters, but you can easily view the falls and outcrops from a closer vantage point. Remember that 20 Mile Creek is flowing north from the center of the Niagara Peninsula to Lake Ontario. In the middle of summer, or any dry period, you can in fact walk on the riverbed itself. Fossils are often visible in the dollostones, but not as much as they are in limestones, and particularly not as much as in the Rochester Shale, which is a very fossiliferous bed, but more so towards its namesake, Rochester, New York, than in Niagara. Here at the upper falls, water is flowing over the Lockport Dollostone cap rock, and then the Rochester Shale. This is the same cap rock as that at Niagara Falls. You can get a much closer view of these units at the upper falls. For more information on the geology of Niagara and on the ecological aspects of the Balls Falls Conservation Area, you can visit links in the credits to the Brock Earth Sciences departmental website, as well as the Niagara Peninsula Conservation Authority, NPCA, website for Balls Falls. Thank you for visiting Balls Falls with us today. Hope you've enjoyed the video.